For the past year, I've eaten this exact bowl of gray matter every single morning. If you're looking for a Pinterest-worthy acai bowl topped with edible flowers and artisan granola, you're in the wrong place. This looks like wet cement. It looks like something you'd use to patch a hole in a dry stone wall in the middle of a Yorkshire winter. But this sludge is the primary reason I've been able to hold 12% body fat and keep my abs visible year-round. It's low-calorie, high-protein, high-fiber, and nutrient-dense. It takes less than 180 seconds to assemble, and it costs next to nothing. Most guys fail their diets before they've even left the house. They treat breakfast like a dessert. Pancakes, sugary cereals, or healthy granola that's actually packed with sugar and seed oils. Or worse, they skip it entirely and spend the rest of the day in a state of hormonal chaos, wondering why they lose their minds in the pantry at 10 p.m. Today, I'm showing you the biological cheat code that ends decision fatigue and kills nighttime cravings before they even start. If you want the full day-by-day playbook on how to manage your nutrition and your training, the exact food lists, the training splits, and the mindset required to build this frame and keep it for good, I've released my new ebook, The Blueprint. It's the complete manual for the man who's ready to stop trying and start building. You can find the link in the description below. Let's build brick by brick. The name glop or sludge isn't glamorous, but I don't give a toss what it's called. I care about the return on investment. This meal has 4 specific ingredients, each serving a tactical purpose in the maintenance of your machine. 250 grams low-fat Greek yogurt. This is your base. It provides active cultures for gut health and a massive hit of calcium and phosphorus. More importantly, it's a source of casein protein, which digests slowly, providing a steady drip feed of amino acids to your muscles while you work. 1 scoop of whey protein, the primary construction material. We use whey for its high bioavailability and its leucine content, which flips the growth switch in your muscles first thing in the morning. 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk, the secret weapon. This is 10 grams of pure soluble fiber. In the world of fat loss, fiber is your best friend because it adds weight to the meal without adding calories. 130 grams of frozen berries. I prefer blueberries and raspberries. They provide micronutrients, antioxidants to fight inflammation, and a massive amount of volume for minimal caloric cost. Totaling roughly 350 to 400 calories, you're getting over 35 grams of protein and 10 grams of fiber to start your day. Calorie for calorie, there's almost no meal on this planet that gives you this much metabolic leverage for this little effort. Most people think breakfast is just fuel to get you to lunch. That's an amateur perspective. This meal is a hormonal anchor. When you hit your system with that many grams of protein within 2 hours of waking, your body releases a wave of satiety hormones like PYY and GLP-1. These are the chemicals that tell your brain, we're safe, we have resources, you can stop looking for food. Research shows that a high-protein start can reduce your daily intake by nearly 100 to 200 calories without you even consciously trying. You aren't fighting hunger, you're silencing it. Then there's the psyllium husk. This is a specific type of soluble fiber that forms a thick, viscous gel in your stomach. Think of it like a biological sponge. It slows down gastric emptying, which is the rate at which food leaves your stomach and enters your small intestine. By slowing this down, you blunt the blood sugar spike of your meal. You don't get the insulin surge followed by a sugar crash that makes you reach for a snack at 11 a.m. A warning, psyllium husk is a sponge. If you don't drink at least 500 milliliters of water with this meal, it'll turn into a brick in your gut. Your body needs the water to create the gel. Drink up or pay the price in constipation and bloat. You'll see plenty of people in the comments saying, I just skip breakfast. I do intermittent fasting. I'm not hungry in the morning. Here's the hard truth. For many men, especially those under high stress, skipping breakfast is a net negative. It causes a cortisol spike that remains elevated throughout the afternoon. This elevated cortisol is a signal for your body to hoard fat around the midsection. But more importantly, it can set up the 9 p.m. siege. By eating a protein-anchored, fiber-rich meal early, you're syncing with your body's natural circadian rhythm. Your insulin sensitivity is highest in the morning. Your thermic effect of food, the energy it takes to digest, is at its peak. You're training your hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin, to stay in line. If you find yourself losing it at night and eating everything in sight, it's almost certainly because you failed the mission before noon. You can't outrun a bad morning with willpower in the evening. I kid you not. This takes less time than it takes to boil a kettle. I usually prep the base the night before. I call this a gift to my future self. By letting it sit in the fridge overnight, the frozen fruit has time to thaw and bleed its juices into the yogurt, turning the whole thing a deep purple. 1. The base. Dump 250 grams of protein into a bowl. Don't worry about being perfect with the weight once you know what it looks like. 2. The reinforcement. Add your protein powder and the tablespoon of psyllium husk. 3. The mix. Stir it till it's a thick, consistent paste. It'll get hefty and dense as the fiber starts to gel. 4. The payload. Toss in the frozen berries and give it one last mix. It looks horrible, but it tastes like a cheat meal. It's the ultimate metabolic trade. You trade 3 minutes of prep for 10 hours of appetite control. The biggest reason this works isn't just the macros. It's the removal of decision fatigue. We make around 200 food decisions a day. Every time you have to decide what to eat, you chip away at your limited supply of willpower. By the time 6 p.m. rolls around, your willpower battery is empty, and you make the easiest, worst choice available. By making the sludge your default setting, you remove an entire category of failure from your life. You don't choose breakfast. You just execute the protocol. It's one less thing to think about, which leaves more mental energy for your work, your training, and your family. Remember, you aren't just working out or dieting. You are refining the vessel you've been given. You aren't just maintaining a car. You are stewarding a gift. You're the architect of a temple, and every brick you lay, every morning you choose the sludge over the sugary cereal is an act of honor. You weren't created to be a slave to your cravings. You were built for dominion. Try this for 14 days. Don't negotiate, just do it. Pay close attention to your energy levels at 3 p.m. and your cravings at 9 p.m. That's where the true transformation happens. Also, if you want to see more content like this, more breakdowns on how to train or eat for specific sports like basketball, boxing, or tennis, drop a comment below. I want to know what you're training for so I can help you build the right system for the job. And don't forget to check out my guide to a healthy, lean lifestyle called The Blueprint down in the description below. Stop negotiating with your hunger. Start building the foundation, brick by brick.